Hi, good evening. Welcome to post market analysis. Nifty for intraday basis entire day saw a selling pressure on rise and Nifty broke levels of 19,700 and closed near to 19,530 below 19,550 zones. If you look at the Bank Nifty overall structure and chart setup, Nifty 2 tested levels of 44,800 on a intraday basis and break below 44,500 and closed around 44,300 zones, which is also a weak signal for now. If you look at the advanced decline ratio is also weak, and also if you look at the Midcap index, which has fallen close to 0.8 to 1% on an intraday basis, which is also a signaling weakness. IT index has fallen 550 to 600 points on an intraday basis, which was holding on till now. And if you look at the VIX has gone up by 10%, which is also alarming. Sustaining Nifty below 19,500 in coming days. Be ready to embrace 19,200, 19,100 zones. That's all for now. Thank you. Happy investing, safe trading. Take care. If you are watching our video for the first time, do hit the subscribe button, and if you like our analysis, do hit the like button and share it to your friends who are looking for more market updates and market insights. Thank you. Happy investing. Take care.